Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katie Snow. Stay tuned as we talk about supplements that you may need for the carnivore diet. Thinking about going full carnivore, or maybe you've been on the carnivore diet for some time. Well, you're not alone. The carnivore diet is gaining serious momentum, and there's lots of good reasons why. But are you missing key nutrients when you cut out plants entirely? Let's talk about the key supplements that can help you stay balanced on the carnivore diet. First up is electrolytes. So when you take carbohydrates out of your diet, it's going to drop insulin, and so that naturally flushes out sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Without these, you might feel tired, crampy, and just a little lethargic. For anyone that's tried a ketogenic type of any sort, whether it's more meat heavy like the carnivore or just a standard ketogenic diet, they will have probably experienced the keto flu. So that's just that not feeling good for a few days as your body balances out when removing carbohydrates. We recommend a clean electrolyte blend. One of our favorites is Element. So we have these packets in our office and our patients buy them. Think of this as hydration insurance. Number 2 is organ meats. Now, technically, organ meats are not thought of as a supplement, but how many of us are getting liver and kidney regularly in our diet? Organ meats are packed with vitamin A, B vitamins, folate, zinc, and many other great nutrients. You know, the things most multivitamins are trying to copy. So if you're not eating organ meats, consider taking a desiccated organ supplement. This is one of our favorites. So Ancestral Formulas makes a desiccated beef liver supplement, and I take these every day, but this is a great way if you're not getting liver and kidney and heart and some of these good organs in your diet on a regular basis, you can fill in the gaps with this product. Third is vitamin D. So a lot of us are just not spending the quality amount of time in the sun, and then we're also not taking a good quality D supplement. So many times we see patients come in and with their first round of blood labs in our office, we always check vitamin D, and we see across the board, almost always, people are major deficient low in vitamin D. Even though meat and eggs have a small amount of vitamin D, it's often not enough, especially for immune function and mood. The vitamin D supplement that we prescribe for our patients is a product Biotics makes, and it's called BioD Emulsion Forte. So what we recommend is usually 10,000 IUs per day. And so you can split the dose into 2 parts, or you can just take all at once. It's in a gel form, it has a great taste, and even kids like it as well. Of course, this is a great supplement, a great add-on, but it does not take the place of going out in nature and getting sun on a regular basis. Number 4 is omega-3s. So a lot of people are getting a good amount of fat on the carnivore diet. However, if they're getting too many grain-based meat products, then they will have actually an omega-3 to omega-6 ratio that is not good. So we do need to put more omega-3s in our diet or supplement. And a product that we like to use is our own Dr. Eric Snow brand, Omega-3 Power. So the reason that we like this product is it's third-party tested, so we know exactly the profile. We know contaminants, mercury, we know what the levels are, and then we also know that it's cold processed, and so that is an added step. It doesn't use any harsh chemicals like hexane to process it. So a lot of the omega-3s on the market, they are poorly sourced, they are not third-party tested, and they are heat processed. And so a lot of the oils turn rancid in the processing, even if they were a particular good oil to begin with, and then the hexane residue usually ends up in the capsules. So if you're not eating some good quality wild caught fatty fish such as salmon, you do want to go ahead and add that to your diet. The carnivore diet isn't just eating beef, red meat every single day. So incorporating some good fatty fish into your diet that's wild caught is excellent, but also taking a supplement such as omega-3 Power will definitely get your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio correct. And finally, magnesium. So eating meat actually doesn't provide the magnesium that we need. And low magnesium is tied to poor sleep, stress, and also constipation. Get a magnesium glycinate or a magnesium lactate. Standard Process has magnesium lactate. We use that quite a bit in our practice. And then also we have our own, it's Magnesium Power, Dr. Eric Snow brand. And this one's actually sourced from a natural coral. And so the magnesium calcium blend is taken from coral and not created in a lab. And so we get really good results with using the Magnesium Power with our patients. All of the supplements I've talked about today, I will provide links in the description box below. The bottom line is the carnivore diet can be incredibly healing. It is a great rotation diet to get unwanted foods and even food sensitivities out of our diet. But using the correct supplements can help fill in the nutritional gaps. If you're serious about long-term success on the carnivore diet, make sure you're working with a holistic practitioner that can do annual blood labs and make sure that there's nothing missing and that you're listening to what your body's telling you. We can order these tests if you're a local patient or if you're a virtual patient. And if you're interested in becoming a patient and you want to have some help doing the carnivore diet and see and access what your blood labs, there's a link that I'll put in the description box below that'll give you access to a complimentary phone call where we can give you more information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. If you have a question, make sure you drop those in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.